Not only this, Michael, but we have a look at the tropics too, where we have a system that we're keeping an eye on. All right, I'm just watching the severe weather chat behind me because more severe thunderstorm warnings are possible. We just had one end in Vero in Indian River County. Look at this line of storms. It is fired up early evening, pushing through Fort Pierce now. It's going to be a bumpy ride. New warning. Yes, we have a new warning now. That is for Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie until 6:45. It'll pop up here in a second. It'll more than likely be right in this area here, with the storms moving at about 25 to 30 miles an hour toward the coastline. A massive line of storms working off Fort Pierce, just north of the inlet now. But look at how it stretches all the way back to the northwest of the lake. And this is holding together. The computer models have not done a good job at predicting this. In fact, it was expected to clear out early evening. That is certainly not the case. And that new severe thunderstorm warning, as I said, will pop up very shortly here. Yeah, there it is right there. So mainly Okeechobee, it clips St. Lucie, southwestern St. Lucie County, and also has an impact on western Martin County. Either way, the storms are making it to the coast. Fort Pierce getting heavy downpours. The rain rates have been about 5 to 7 inches per hour, so we could see some localized street flooding from these storms. Luckily, they don't last an hour, and they're moving so quickly, but it's going to be near zero visibility on roadways because of this. There's another storm that'll move just south of Belle Glade. Looks like it's intensifying at the same time. There's the wider view. We'll be able to see that warned area right there. So that's for Okeechobee and just a small section of St. Lucie and Martin County until 6:45. Gusty winds over 60 miles an hour. We just had a 53-mile-an-hour wind gust. That was at the Vero Airport about 25 minutes ago. So more strong winds are possible. Temperatures, well, 70s, 80s, and 90s, depending on where you pick. And in the tropics, can't skip the tropics tonight because we have a tropical wave that came off the coast of Africa today. It has a 60% chance of developing. The models are pretty aggressive in developing a storm out here in the central Atlantic. It's almost unheard of to get a June storm in this area of the Atlantic, but water temperatures are very warm, and that's the fuel and that helps develop these. So we'll let you know if that does happen. The long range models indicate that it should turn toward the north, but it's one we'll keep an eye on. So showers and storms through 9, 10 o'clock tonight, and then starting to taper off a little bit. We could still hear rumbles of thunder, though, as we get into the late evening. Seas about 2 to 3 for boaters. That's not the issue for boaters or beachgoers. The storms tomorrow, we are in a slight risk for severe weather again. And the computer models indicate that those storms tomorrow will develop around the noon hour and linger through most of the afternoon, and they could be very strong. And there is a severe weather threat tomorrow afternoon and early evening. A similar pattern for Sunday, maybe not as widespread or as strong, but there will be rumbles of thunder. And this very intense weather pattern continues at least until the middle of next week.